So good morning to everybody. So already we completed. So what we completed? Triangles, parallelogram, and how to find the area of a triangle and how to find the area of the parallelogram. So today we are going to start the circles chapter. Today we are going to start the circles chapter. Okay, the topic is circles. Now what is meant by circle? Define circle. A circle is a collection of all points which are equidistant from the center. If it is a fixed point, it's a collection of set of all points, which are all equidistant from the fixed center, fixed point. That O is a fixed point. That is the center of the circle. That is called as what? Center of the circle. Then radius. What is meant by radius? A line segment joining center, the line segment joining from center to any point on the circle, from center to any point on the circle, it is called as what? Radius. Then diameter now already you learned. What is meant by diameter? The line segment joining any two points on the circle passing through the center is called as what? Diameter. Okay, now what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is nothing but that means the boundary of the circle. This is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is, formula to find the circumference of circle is 2 pi r units. The value of pi is 22/7, otherwise approximately 3.14. Are you getting here? Yes. Now area of circle is what? Pi r square units. Area of circle is what? Pi r square units. So today I will assign one video also, otherwise tomorrow I will show you. During the live session I will show you how to get the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units. Am I right? So this is the two basic formula related to circle. One is the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units and area of circle is what? Pi r square units. The value of pi is 22/7, otherwise 3.14. If it is not given to take pi equal to 3.14, you have to consider the value of pi is 22/7. Yes. Now shall we move to the exercise now? Yes. Look at the exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. You have to find the circumference of the circle. Exercise 11.3. Look at the first question. Find the circumference of the circle. Find the circumference of the circle. Whose radius is given? What is the radius? 14 centimeter. Whose radius is given? 14 centimeter. So what is the circumference of the circle formula? 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r units. Am I right? What is the value of pi? 22/7. What is the radius? 14. If the diameter is given, you have to divide by 2 because the radius is what? Half of the diameter. 177, 2 7s are 14. 2 into 22, 44 into 22, 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. Are you getting here? Yes. And the second part, what it is given, radius is 28 centimeter. Now what is the circumference of circle? You have to find the circumference of circle only. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r units. Circumference of circle, that is equal to 2 pi r units. It is circumference of circle 2 pi r units. Now 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 20, it is given for you. So 177, 4 7s are 28. 22 into 4, 88. 88 into 2, I think 176. 176 centimeter. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, then subdivision C, radius is given 21 centimeter. You have to find the circumference only. So the circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r units. Circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r units. Equal to 2 pi r units. That is 2 into 22 by 7. Radius how much it is given? 21 it is given. So 177, 3 7s are 21. 22 into 3 is 66. 66 into 2, 132 I think so. Am I right? 66 into 2 is what? 132 centimeter. Are you getting there? Yes. So we completed the first question. In the next video, we will see the question number 2. That is to find the area of the circle. Thank you.